In this video, we're going to talk about a 2 BHK flat interiors done for SNN Raj Serenity of Bannerghatta Road. The property belongs to a client called Mr. Yogender, which has an area of around 1350 square feet and the interiors is budgeted to 5.5 lakhs. In the living, as shown in the floor plan, the TV unit situated is not giving a proper layout for the sofa. So we shifted the TV unit to the wall onto the left of the passage. TV unit has a basic panel with grooves on top of it and a line of drawers just to hold your accessories. It also has a ledge on top of it which is housing the lights to highlight the TV unit. In the living, one of the walls had niches between the column and the beams. We have tried to panel it and provide a beading design on top of that so that it gives a nice character to the whole space. The wall opposite to that is treated with blue paint so that it gives a highlighted wall and also a place for you to hang all the photo frames. The client wanted a character of parallel lines that is shown in the living on the paneling. The same is also repeated on the false ceiling, which is having a simple parallel cove on either sides with rafters in between. Coming to the dining area, as you see in the floor plan, there is a wash basin situated in the corner. The client wanted to change the access and also provide a small crockery chest over there with a mirror back panel behind it. So we provided a simple box with white shutters and a granite top on which the wash basin is placed. There is also a mirror panel with white ledges on it so that they can keep some accessories. The false ceiling in the dining is a simple cove all around and a wooden paneling to house the fan in the center. The property has a simple parallel kitchen format. The client wanted a simple wood look-alike base cabinet with white highlighting happening here and there. So what we've done is we just provided white for the tandem drawers which is on the top. The wall unit is a mix of complete white with a little bit of wooden brown laminate that is used in the base cabinet. So the sink side has just plain white box and also a place for your aquaguard. In the guest bedroom, the client wanted the wardrobe to be shifted to the place where the TV unit is shown in the floor plan. So we provided a sliding wardrobe as the room is small and the color combination would be brown and white. So we have used parallel whites and vertical browns for the shutters and complete white for the loft. So the T format is formed because the niche available is where the wardrobe is provided and loft is complete full length. The room also has one of the walls treated in a different color to form a highlighted wall with photo frames on it. In the master bedroom, we have designed 2 shutter wardrobes on either side of the cot and a full length loft running on top of it. It also provides a nice interesting nook for the cot headboard in between these 2 wardrobes. The client wanted a color combination of black and brown, so we designed an interesting format with 2 drawers below. These drawers can be used to store your shoes or books or any other accessories. The wall opposite to the cot had a niche on which the paneling is done and a brick MDF is put to add a nice interesting English character to the whole space. The false ceiling is an interesting cove with an addition of 2 parallel boxes and a fan in the center. Overall, the color combination and the brick paneling done opposite to the cot really peps up the space and gives an interesting look for the whole bedroom.